State and public officers should not demean the office that the officer holds. This requires that they respect the office and be courteous to everyone always. Not misuse public resources. Not use their offices to unlawfully or wrongfully enrich themselves or any other person. Should not falsify any records. Not have any conflict between personal interests and public or official duties. This means that they should undertake their work objectively and as required by law. Not commit criminal offenses. Not engage or be involved in activities that amount to abuse of office. This means that they should not be involved in corrupt practices. Not violate or abuse the rights and fundamental freedoms of any person. Not engage or be involved in actions which would lead to their removal from the membership of a professional body. Not engage or be involved in wrongful conduct in furtherance of personal benefit. Not discriminate against any person. They should treat and serve all Kenyans equally and fairly. Values to be upheld by an office clerk. The following principles should guide the conduct of every civil servant for enhancement of service delivery. Place public interest above personal interest. Act professionally with honesty, consistency, and impartiality. Take responsibility, be accountable, and show leadership. Treat clients/public equal without prejudice or favor. Uphold the rule of law and democratic principles and respect of institutions of government. Communicate clearly and promptly. Promote teamwork, consultation, partnership, and collaboration. Uphold transparency, accountability, and be responsive and uphold economic, efficient, effective, and prudent use of public resources. Fostering equal treatment in service provision. The Public Service Commission, PSC, is mandated to, among others, promote and evaluate the extent to which the values in Articles 10 and 232 of the Constitution are complied with in the public service. Article 10 calls for respect of human rights, inclusion, social justice, and protection of the vulnerable groups. Article 232 demands that the public service must be representative of the diverse Kenyan communities and that adequate and equal opportunity in appointment, training, and advancement at all levels of the public service to men and women, members of all ethnic communities, and persons with disabilities. In order to give effect to the constitutional requirements, the Public Service Commission found it necessary to develop diversity policy for the public service to manage diversity. The policy establishes strategies for attracting the diverse groups into the public service as well as measures aimed at creating an environment that is conducive and respects diversity. Individual public officers are responsible for observing respect for diversity in all their undertakings. Reporting cases of discrimination in the workplace. Providing timely information required in the evaluation of the implementation of diversity policy for the public service. Gender. Every public service institution shall implement the principle that not more than two-thirds of its employees shall be of the same gender at all levels. Ensure that gender issues are mainstreamed at the workplace and take appropriate measures including affirmative action to ensure gender equality and uphold, observe, and protect the right of women to health and safety in working conditions, including the safeguarding of the function of reproduction. Physically challenged. Every public service institution shall adopt measures aimed at facilitating the realization of the constitutional principles of ensuring an inclusive public service and that at least 5% of appointments in the public sector shall comprise persons with disabilities.